Hello, my name is Sarah Hudson and I'm a cardiology registrar based at the Bristol Heart Institute and a Total Digital Health NHS Fellow. I'm going to take this opportunity to share with you my experience of the coronavirus crisis from the point of view of a cardiology trainee in the southwest of the UK, and also to highlight some of the positive changes that I've seen in response to the crisis. Overall, we've been very fortunate in Bristol so far, with far fewer patients admitted with COVID than in other parts of the country. However, cardiology has still changed significantly. Fellow registrars in the surrounding district general hospitals are no longer doing cardiology and are instead doing general medicine all of the time. In the tertiary centre, as registrars, we're still doing cardiology, but alongside our own roles, we are covering the jobs left by the SHOs and F1s who have been redeployed. It's a very strange time. For example, our CCU is no longer in its usual physical location, but it's been moved to the ward, so its usual home can be ready to be used as an ICU overspill. There are also far fewer inpatients than usual, both because all non-critical elective work has been cancelled and because fewer patients seem to be presenting with cardiac problems. Our primary PCI lab is noticeably quieter. There have, however, been some really positive changes and some fantastic leaps forward from the point of view of digital health. One example of this would be the fact that our MDTs are now being held virtually using WebEx to avoid everyone being in the same place at the same time, and this has been a really positive experience so far. We've also stopped doing any face-to-face consultations, so our outpatients are now done via the telephone or by video links, and this is also working well. Remote desktop, so the ability to log on to things from home, is also now available to everyone, which is really useful. Nationally, there have also been some great initiatives like Vish Luther's webinar series organised by him and the North West Thames trainees. The fact that cardiologists have come together so well to support each other in these uncertain times, particularly amongst our local registrar group, has also been very heartening, as has the fact that there's globally been more of a focus on well-being rather than merely resilience. Overall, hopefully some of the changes forced by the coronavirus crisis can work as seeds for more productive and efficient working going forward.